Today, go ahead and grab your countdown to summer journal. We are working on the letter B page. So, trace, write it 2 times, trace, write it 2 times, and then you can draw and write about Backwards Day. So tell me a little bit about what you did for Backwards Day. Maybe you walked backwards, maybe you wore your clothes backwards, maybe you did everything backwards. Instead of starting with Super Kids, you started with science. That would probably be pretty hard because it would be hard to watch this video if you did it that way. But maybe you did your whole morning routine backwards. Usually you wake up, eat breakfast, brush your teeth, get dressed. Maybe you woke up, got dressed, ate breakfast, brushed teeth. I don't know. Whatever. Tell me about Backwards Day. I want to hear what you did. All right, pause the video. Go ahead and get going. All right, up next for math, we are doing a little more graphing. So you are going to grab this little cute Easter bunny with the Easter eggs. And what you're going to do first is you're going to color the eggs. Now, what I would do is I would make sure that all of the eggs with the same designs are colored the same. Otherwise, you might get confused. So maybe I'm going to color purple egg, pink polka dots, purple egg, pink polka dots, purple and pink, purple and pink, purple and pink, purple and pink. Okay? So go ahead and color the eggs. Then you're going to cut them out on the dotted lines. You're going to glue them in the columns where they belong. And then you're going to answer these questions at the bottom. Now I'm going to read through these questions at the bottom so you can answer them. So right now, pause the video, color, cut, glue, and then come on back and we'll answer the questions. Okay, here's question number 1. It says, which has more, the stripes or the squiggly one? That's what I'm going to call it. So look at your graph. Remember, the taller it is, the more there are, the shorter or the smaller they are. That sounds good, Miss V. All right, so which has more? Circle which one has more, stripes or squiggles. Number 2 says which has fewer. That would be the smallest. Would be the stripes or the polka dots. So circle or color which one has fewer. Which has more, polka dots or the stripes? So look at your graph, polka dots or stripes. Number 4 says which has fewer, polka dots or squiggles? So fewer means less. And then how many eggs were collected in all? So you're gonna have to count all of the eggs that you glued down to figure out how many there were in all. All right, so push that off to the side. Next thing is religion. We are going to do just this front page and then the back page you can do at home. So this says the last days. On Holy Thursday, Jesus shared the Last Supper with his friends. Before the meal, he washed their feet to show he loved them. On Good Friday, Jesus died on the cross. On Holy Saturday, his body lay in the tomb. So we talked about Palm Sunday yesterday, which is when Jesus came to Jerusalem. This is the rest of Holy Week, starts on Thursday. So it's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then Easter is on Sunday. So we only are doing work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday because we are off during Holy Week. So your job is to match the pictures to the days of Holy Week. So I'll read them and you can match them to the pictures. So this says Palm Sunday. So draw a line from Palm Sunday to which picture matches Palm Sunday. The next one says Holy Thursday. Remember, that's when Jesus had his Last Supper with his disciples. So go ahead and draw a line from Holy Thursday to which picture it matches. Good Friday is when Jesus dies on the cross. So draw a line from Good Friday to the picture that matches. And then the last one is Holy Saturday, which is when Jesus's body is laid in the tomb. So draw a line from Holy Saturday to the picture that matches. All right, and on the back, this is like a little prayer service that I thought you guys could do with your family. Maybe you could do it before dinner or after dinner, or you can hang on to it and do it on Holy Thursday when we don't have school. So hang on to this, and you can do this with your family later on this week. Last thing I have for you, well, two things. Last thing, school-wise, is science. So you're going to click the link, and it's going to take you to the Scholastic website. You're going to scroll down till you find day 4, and we are going to learn about Earth and space. So you can click the link, and it'll take you there, and you can listen to the stories, and you can watch the little video. You can do the activity, but you do not have to. I just want you listening to the 2 stories. It is called Happy Birthday Moon, and then The Moon. And then the video says, What's in the Night Sky? So you can watch that little video. And then the activity is to make moon craters. So you can click that little link and it'll show you what to do, but you don't have to do that. You can do that if you want to. And then there's one last thing at the bottom of your checklist. I added some directed drawings, those little videos that we like to do. If you want to do those, you can. I kept with the space theme. So there is a rocket ship, there's an alien UFO, and then there's also the alien from Toy Story, because I think they're really cute. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you later for story time.